students. So as in the previous video, I just explained you about the lesson number 9 and I hope it was clear to everybody. There are three types of festivals that we celebrated: religious festival, national festival and harvest festival. Religious festival are those festivals which we celebrate. It's just like our religion festival, okay, like Diwali, Holi, in which we just go to the temple and worship and offer prayers to God. National festival are those festival which are like the important people's birthday, like Mahatma Gandhi on 2nd October, which is related to our nation. Okay, our father of nation is Mahatma Gandhi, so we just celebrate his birthday on 2nd of October every year. Like that, nations festival are also Republic Day, Independence Day and many more. Third is harvest festival. I already told you harvest festival are celebrated by the farmers because of a good crop grown by them. Okay. So these were the festivals and how it is celebrated. It is written over here. These are some special features about the festivals. These are national festivals and why we celebrate national festivals and how we celebrate it. This is, and it is harvest festival, when it is celebrated and what are the facts about these festivals. It is written over here. You just go through it and read it by your own. Okay, now we are just coming up to our exercises first. So you have to do these exercises in your copies as well. So I'm just going to do it in the book only. You just do it in your copies. First is exercises, circle the correct word. First is celebrated to show the respect of King Mahabali. The answer will be Onam. Okay. Second is dash means of boiling over. Boiling over means Pongal, because we just have to boil the rice in a pot like this woman is doing. So boiling over means Pongal. Third is Bihu is celebrated between. When Bihu is celebrated, it is written over here, between January and February. Fourth is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru or Mahatma Gandhi. Who is also known as Bapu? Answer will be Mahatma Gandhi. Next, Sevai is a yummy sweet dish enjoyed during when we eat Sevai on Eid. Okay? Now the next exercise. Fill in the blanks. Diwali is also called the festival of light. Okay. Second, it is dash is celebrated on 25th of December. Christmas. We celebrate Christmas every year on 25th of December. Third, on Eid ul-Fitr, people wish each other Eid Mubarak. Guru Purab is celebrated in the memory of Guru Nanak. Dash is the common meal cooked in a common kitchen. It is langar. Okay. This is the exercise B. Now we are just coming up on exercise C. Answer the following question. What are the different kinds of festivals celebrated in India? I already told you about the three festivals that are celebrated in India. So, religious festival, national festival and harvest festival. Okay. Next question is, why is Republic Day celebrated? I'm going to write the answer over here. On 26th of January 1950, the Constitution of India was introduced. It is a set of rules that people of India should follow. Okay. Snake boats races are held during which festival? It's Onam. When is the colorful parade held at Rajpath? On 26th of January every year. When is Independence Day celebrated? We celebrate Independence Day on 15th of August every year. Okay. So these were the 3 exercises. You have to do it in your copies. Now your homework, you just read lesson 10 and mark hard words.